We're going to do a bit of luxury beans on toast. Got some red pepper and mushrooms frying in there. Just to add a little bit of dark soy. A tiny bit more. Not too much of that. Have a little bit of my favourite balsamic vinegar. Again, similar amount. The old black pepper. Why not? I've added some smoked paprika to my baked beans. And put the toast on. Just heat the beans up. Now, what I like is a bit of sliced tomato with my Timeon toast. What I like to do is add tomato onto the bread. Beans bubbling. Increase the heat a bit by friction. Also mixes them at the same time. Tilt the pan slightly to circulate the beans in the pan, else they just pretty much stay in the same spot. Bean spatula. Bought myself a new saucepan recently. Whoops. The Brizol. Yeah, made in Ukraine. Detachable handle. I already had a glass lid. So you need to season that pan in the oven at 180 degrees for an hour with some vegetable oil. Creates a non-stick surface in the pan, and one is meant to dry or keep the pan oiled. Ooh, just for interest, look, here's some chicken brothy slow cook I did yesterday with some chicken thighs and drumsticks. And in there we've got a little bit of cumin, coriander, turmeric, but no garlic, just tomato puree, a little bit of oil, onions, sweet potato, and carrot. But I also added a few little handful of red lentils and slightly more green lentils. Gives it a bit of bite. Here I have the toast. What I like to do is dress the bread, he says, with a little bit of grated cheese. I like my cheese on the bread rather than on the beans. I do like a lot of cheese. Pop tomato on to bread like so. Yes. We then do this. So, just a little bit of smoked paprika in there. That's half a tin of beans, that is. It's just the topping. Scatter those. Doesn't matter where it that goes, as long as it goes in. Your mouth, that is. There you have it. Lovely bit of luxury beans on toast. Now, like I say, use your residual heat, so I've turned the control off a minute or so ago. As you can see, still plenty of heat in there just to finish them off. And always turn off everything out the wall, which I do also with my kettle. All my other electrical items in the house all get turned off at the wall, because there's a slight drainage of electricity through the saturation from the cable plug to the item just in the cable. You'll get electrical dissipation. There's residual voltage in the cable leading to the kettle from the wall. Even though the kettle's not turned on, there'll be a slight dissipation of electricity through the cable. Apparently I was told by a lady from my electrical supplier that it can add up to £30 a year. Of course, that was about 2016 I was informed of that. So obviously 2022 now, October, nearly 2023. Sorry, November. And obviously electricity is costing us a lot more.